Today we're gonna make a knife, and not just any knife. I'm gonna use my bandsaw blades and cable Damascus that I cut up, or that I forged up yesterday. Here they are. Well, there's one of the pieces in there. You can see it over there. This one, I think. That's 1, 2. So I cut off 2 3-inch pieces. 3 inches. Fits perfectly. There they are. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut these to shape, the bandsaw blades, and get them ready to get welded up and get ready for forge welding. Just getting all of these cleaned up. I'm using a degreaser on these. So I also had them on the belt sander, so just want to get them nice and clean. Okay, let's beat this thing into shape. Okay, so the billet is almost up to length. Just flattening it out a little bit. Well, I'm gonna say I'm pretty much done with the foraging part of this. It's in there to be annealed, cool down nice and slow, so she's all soft and stress-free. Thing next up, take off all the forage scale and start the sanding process, which takes forever and ever and ever. Sorry about the light in here, but this is my little filing jig. I'm gonna start doing the bevels on this. Clean this up on my belt sander and a little bit with a flap disc, but mostly with a belt sander. And I'm gonna start putting the bevels in. Close your ears. Okay, so I cleaned this up a little. I got a bunch more to clean up on this thing and then get it ready for some heat treatment. So yeah, this is how far we got, guys. So now comes one of the parts I fear and love the most, and that is quenching the blade. A lot of hours have gone into this thing, and if it cracks, especially in a bad spot, it's garbage. I'm a firm believer in blacksmiths don't make mistakes, they make smaller knives, but if it cracks at a few places, trash. So I'm gonna normalize it 3 times, and then we can go into the quench. Well, she hardened up, everything went good. I tempered it, and I'm busy with the hand sand. Woo! So instead of me boring you guys with how I do hand sanding for 9 hours, or sanding a piece of elk antler, the handle material that I used was sun-dried elk antler. I love using it because when you buff it up, it is absolutely beautiful. It just turns into, it looks like ivory. That is why I go with that. Handle pins are stainless steel, and here she is. Wickedly sharp. I have no arm hair left, as you can see. Beauty. do a few close-up shots. So the problems I ran into while making this knife, if you look at my previous video when I did the billet for this, there was a part where I tried to rectify the billet by trying to make it square in my press. It overpressed it completely and I created a few cold shots. A rookie mistake. But I'm still not used to my forge press. So I had to grind those out, and I'm actually happy that I did, because this blade came out beautifully. So this is going to be off to a customer in Vancouver. Hope you guys liked this video, enjoyed it. You'll be seeing a lot more knife videos from me in the future, because after I posted a few pictures of this, the orders came in like crazy. It's insane. I won't be able to keep up, to be honest. Juggling family, work, and this, I'll get to her. So, thanks guys. I will catch you on the next video. See ya.